We are first one. I'm Ace. I'm Jason. Hello, I'm Jay. Hello everyone, ako po si Max.
Hi, I'm Joker.
Together we are first one. Thank you very much everyone for coming here tonight. Actually, yun na yung show. Alam namin gusto nyo lang marinig you are the one. Yeah, maraming salamat guys. Thank you very much for coming here all the way. Of course, if you guys didn't know, we have here people who came all the way from Japan, from Russia, and places from across the world. So, from Nigeria, wow! Welcome. New York! Mexico, Pampanga. Yeah. So thank you very much, guys. This is just the start of our night, and hopefully you guys are going to enjoy this night tonight. Of course, we have people to thank.
Thank you, BLC, Omango, Warner, HLA as an MP to our Dr. Andrew, Dr. Tessa, and Ever Organos.
Yes. So, ano ba yung fifth year ba? Fifth year na ba na? Yes. Sino dito muna? Ano tayo? Project. Sino dito yung from first year? From first year to first one, nandito. Pakitaas yung mga kamay, guys. Taas mo naman. Given na mga families natin. Given na mga families natin. Siyempre yung mga families, ever since yung pinanganak tayo. hindi namin support yan.
Pero ang tanong dyan, ang unang tanong, pwede mo ba mo, di ba?
Hindi, nakakatayo tayo. Sino mo?
Kaya nga eh, sila na ako. Tayo, bigyan mo na sa akin.
Siguro kami yan.
Okay lang.
First off, before we move on, gusto ko lang din parang shoutout ng mga kailan friends from the Bomba community who came. We have YGIG over here. Yung sa mga DS001, many more, so thank you very much for doing something. Go.
Ayan. Unang tanong, kaibigan.
Ito na guys, makikinig dito ha, may katanungan na ako.
Titingnan natin kung nakikinig sila. Pag sinabi ko yung first, sasabihin nila, wow. First, makikinig.
Bro,
Wow.
we have international fans, bro.
See, first, you say one. First, one. Okay, here you go. How? Okay. And the question is,
Alright.
before maging first one, saan galing yung fire mo?
Before you became first one, where did your fire come from?
Yeah.
Siyempre ako, yung talaga nanggaling sa puso natin, bro. Yeah. Inspirations, doon nanggaling yung apoy natin. That's why.
Ayun,
Oo.
diba?
Diba? Hindi naman.
Diba?
I'm just being real, bro. Yeah. Did you understand that? Oh, English!
Translated, my friend.
Okay, so the fire burning in Parang siyang kista. Okay, next.
Okay.
Next, bro. Basta ako.
Sige. Ako yung host.
For me, the fire before first one, right?
Oh, yeah.
So before first one, the fire which burned in me and still burns in me came from these 5 guys with me. Because
Just like Joker said, it's too early for
that's why I said. No, kidding aside, because just like normal people, we do have fights, we do have misunderstandings, and that's like every day, every hour of every minute of every day, sometimes. But what matters is that after like a misunderstanding or a fight, we always come out stronger. Because I think it's part of how we were trained during our training years. We really lived together and we grew just like how blood brothers truly grow. And I think
Actually, yung tanong before or becoming first one.
Translate
Before
or
becoming first one.
siguro sa akin, siguro before becoming first one, yung part na nag-push sa akin is yung una, syempre yung sarili ko. Syempre gusto ko pang maging better kung ano meron ako ng that time. Then pangalawa, naging yung family ko na, which is sila mama, sila papa. And pangatlo, naging para sa forward namin. So para nung una yung first year namin kasi, nung pagka-release ng One Dream, kinakabahan pa kami nun kasi, quick story lang, kinakabahan kami nun kasi, yun nga, ballad yung song, tapos parang hindi kami talaga yung kumakanta. So nung nirelease na yun, kapag merong preview ba yun? Yung naghihintay ng sa YouTube. Tama, preview? Preview. Premiere! O diba? Tanong ako ng tanong eh. Yeah, may premiere. Manonood kami nun, inaabangan namin kung sino yung mga manonood that time, kung ilang tao yung manonood. So habang dumadagdag yung mga tao na nanonood, lagi kami sumisigaw, oh my God, may nanonood! Oh, ano ganito? So parang, lalo lang din na-boost yung namin, yung tawag dito, yung pakiramdam namin na i-push palalo yung first one kasi alam namin na dito pala yung may pakiramdam, dito pala yung pakiramdam na may fan, na may sumusuporta sa amin. So yun, parang lang, yun yung naging part and bago kami fully mag-first one. Yan po.
Wow. Good answer, brother.
Wow.
It's not your
I think my fire came from my parents and family because my parents always do their best and did their best to did the best for me.
Okay, bro.
That's why we're always doing our best to give back to our parents.
So, okay.
You know, Jay is the MVP.
Already done?
Yeah.
Wow. Already done?
Already done? What the hell?
One question, one answer.
Actually, same lang kay Jay. No, same with Jay. Also, the fire thing also started because of my family, especially my mama. And especially same with my moms. When it all started, the premiere and yung mga like, before the training, gano'n. Tapos pag nakita na yung progress ng group, doon.
Actually, gusto ko lang i-share. Sarap din balikan yung mga ganong memories mo. Parang, humble beginning talaga. Kasi, hindi mo din talaga alam kapag sinimulan mo yung isang bagay, hindi mo alam kung ano yung magiging resulta. So, parang, at some point, lahat tayo may sa start, hindi talaga tayo marunong. Hindi talaga natin yung gusto. Pero kapag tinuloy-tuloy lang natin, pag tumagal na gawin, wala din natin alam kung itutuloy pa natin to o hindi.
Siguro ako naman, siguro nag-enjoy ko talaga or I'm really in love performing for other people. And nag-enjoy lang ako na may nakaka-appreciate ng ginagawa ko. Nag-enjoy na ako agad pagka natututukan ako ng ilaw, simpleng pag-imikan sa akin, natutuwa na ako. And lalo na nung na-meet ko yung first one, may marami akong na-discover sa sarili ko na kaya ko palang gawin. Nakakala ko nag-start lang ako sa pagsayaw, hindi ko in-expect talaga na magiging ganito ako, magiging P-pop idol ako. So, yeah, dahil din sa kanila, mas na-challenge ako or mas nagiging passionate ako sa ginagawa.
Palakpakan naman siya.
You know, because of you, she keeps on translating every word you're saying.
Thank you so much, Kap.
Hey, I thought you were supposed to practice English because we're going next month too.
Oh, wow! Hey, from Moana.
Okay. Anyway, with that, actually, first one came from a lot of ups and downs, and there was this one time during our 5-year career wherein right after the height of You Are the One, we experienced a very deep blow in our career where we had to take an indefinite hiatus. So that hiatus we thought was going to be the end of first one. But these two songs that we're about to sing is deeply connected to that era of our careers, and it just goes to show that no matter what trials you're going through or into right now, as long as you keep strong and never let go, as long as you fight on, there will still be a light at the end of the tunnel. So we bring you these next two songs. If you know this, and we are sure you know this, please do sing along.
Yes,
Let's go. memorable experiences were during our 5-year time. I think tonight, it's not all about us anymore. Actually, the reason. I'm going off script though. No. The reason why we're like this today with our setup is because for our 50th anniversary, we really wanted to be up close and personal with you guys. You know, I know you guys love to see us dance, but we haven't got too much of a chance to really be eye to eye like this while we sit together, while we just move together and enjoy each other together. But let's see how the night unfolds. So tonight is your night. So I think it's time to discuss what your favorite experiences are during our 5-year time of special. Let's ask them. Let's pick one. Okay, who's the first one? Who's the first one?
For example, K-pop, hindi natin siya naintindihan eh. Pero na-enjoy natin siya pakinggan. Alam mo yun? So, wala lang, yung power ng music, sobrang grabe nito pag pinapakinggan. Yan lang. Yes, kayo. Ako ba yun? Okay. Anyway, for our next songs, these songs are the songs that made us who we are right now.
Yes, kumbaga, we just felt the love and support sa amin guys. First one is parang 5th year namin ngayon, and because of you guys doing. And ayun guys, we got our growth rate as a team.
And if you know this song, sing with us.
You can dance the chord with us. Yeah.
Oras ay humingi para sa akin.
Swing yung pangalan niya.
Sila Marie. Oh, lagi present yan.
Okay, thank you, Sila.
Sino pa ang hindi? Ako may gusto lang ako i-share.
Okay,
Ano talaga ako eh, share ako dito. Hi guys, dito lang. Hindi, may gusto lang ako i-share kasi parang na-inspire lang ako. Sinabi ko na rin ito sa mga fans namin before. Kumbaga parang hindi nagkaroon na ng time na ano. Lagi sa mga shows, dahil kita-kita, tapos from time to time, may mga 4-1, old one. Old one? Why? Dahil may mga young one. May mga 4-1, medyo ka lang. Basta yun, to cut the story short, parang may sinabi lang ako sa isang fan. Ako personally, hindi ko alam kung ano yung ginagawa namin para maging close sa inyo. Pero nakakatuwa lang makita na meron kayong ganung friendship na nabubuo sa loob ng forward. So I'm happy na masaya kayo dahil may na-meet kayong parang itatrato nyo na rin as family. So wala lang, share ko lang. Kasi thanks na mga thank you guys. Yeah, actually totoo yun bro. Nakakatawa talaga po.
Dahil kasi iba talaga yung it's different. It's different when we get to see how much the fans really are present physically, no matter how far, no matter how late, no matter how deep. Like kasi what we're doing is really tiring. Like, diba? Imagine singing and dancing for maybe almost 2 hours. But once ito personal experience. When we were in Round Festival, when we were performing there, I was actually nervous. I was really nervous because we didn't know anyone in the crowd. There were 4-1, right? There were 4-1 presents, si Shozo and si Shozo, si Chen, and then the whole crowd was all Malaysian. So when I was getting tired, I just looked at them, and thankfully the 4-1 who were there, was able to really rile up the Malaysian fans. And then, I think that was about during Wala Nang Iba. All the Malaysian fans were really screaming already. For them to not understand the song, but really bounce with us, jive with us, I felt like all the fatigue, all the stamina that I lost during the whole training for Round Festival, I recovered during that moment. So, we really are happy whenever we see you guys, wherever we are. So thank you very much. Hoping you guys will always be present wherever we will be in the next coming days.
Actually, nakakita ko na, may naalala ko.
Okay.
Naka-costume kasi sila yung parang
Ay, joke, di pala turn up yan.
bebop ko na.
Bebop mo.
Guest performers yan!
5, 6, 7, 8!
Gusto mo tanongin bakit sila naka-costume?
Napag-trip nila, napag-isipan ba nila ng mabuti?
Ano naisip nyo? Ba't nyo ginawa yan?
Saan nyo binigay yan?
Spokesperson niya. Sino ang spokesperson?
Si Tata.
Ano po ang pangalan? Tsaka ano pangalan ng dance group?
Oh, this is for one po. With my Pero level 6 na yun. Ay, yung 7.
4 lang.
4 lang. Ay,
Ay, isa si Nisa.
Okay, ang question namin.
Question.
Namin, ano yung pinaka-memorable music of Ivy as a foreman?
Ito naman po, parang umiyak. Oh, siya.
Ano pala ito? Il-hype music influencers or like that, or kahit mga actors dito sa Pinas, vloggers, mga ganyan, content creators. So, pag nararamdaman mo na pagpatuloy yung pagsuporta mo sa kanila, parang nagiging close na rin kayo somehow. Parang you feel like, parang pwede mo siyang i-share ng mga stories mo, mga secrets mo. Kasi doon yung feeling na lagi mo siya sinusuporta. Eh, nakakatuwa lang din na may katulad ni Jillian sa akin. So, yun lang.
Thank you, Jillian.
Thank you, Jillian.
Well, siguro take na rin natin itong opportunity na ito na magpasalamat sa lahat ng 4-1 na hindi nagsawa sa amin sa pag-support all throughout our 5-year journey dito sa first one. So, again, maraming salamat and thank you guys sa pagpunta sa 5th anniversary namin. I know guys na medyo maliit lang to, pero pangako namin sa inyo, babawi talaga ako naman. Okay? Promise talaga. And wala kami dito ngayon guys kung hindi dahil sa inyo. Kaya mahal na mahal namin kayo. Thank you for one. Okay.
Listen,
Happy birthday to you.
Wala kayo sa timing?
Happy birthday. Happy Let's sing!
Before natin i-blow yung candle, let's make a wish muna. Siguro, siyempre lahat tayo may wish, di ba? Hindi na natin kailangan sabihin na. Pero, kailangan ba natin sabihin na.
Lahat tayo guys, everyone.
Sana yung mama ng first one.
Hindi ko na rin sa baka.
Sa baka!
Make a wish, make a wish.
Okay, go. Okay, we will close our eyes and make a wish. And 5, 6, 7, 8, close your eyes. Yeah. Then, blow.
1, 2, 3, go!
Ano na sa limaan mo?
Amoy kape!
Okay, number 2.
Thank you.
Go,
Happy second year, first one.
Sino mo ito?
guys, picture daw tayo. Maybe. Backward.
Siyempre, hindi makukuha ang birthday nito kung wala si Jollibee! Wala kasi siya mangga.
Wait lang. Actually, meron pa tayo ng
Okay guys, please let's capture this moment as well. Pwede ba na may picture sa inyo? Pwede naman po picture. Is it okay first? Okay lang?
Okay guys, labas tayo lahat. Doon tayo sa main.
Saan naman?
Bird book. Hindi ko siya gusto tawagin booklet kasi it's too big of a history of memories. Meron dito there are parts here na you can really see like how many times we made performances and shows in every month. So nung dinadaanan ko siya, grabe, memory lane. Thank you very much guys. 5 years of a lot of memories that went by na hindi namin naramdaman kung gaano man kabigat yung dinaanan natin because you guys were there. Meron sabi nito, support system, you guys are ours. Yes nga, yes nga. Yes nga. Yes nga.
And ito yung dahilan kung patuloy kami nandito sa inyo.
And just like fire, na tinutulungan niya kami i-ignite yung fire each and every time. We will surely make it a point that this fire will never go out until the next years. So, sing with us for one as we sing the next songs. Yeah.
Alright.
Let's go.
Tayo kami ulit. Sayang sa labas, oh.
Let's go.
Stuck in the dark, trying to wonder. All of this spell, I can tell how I can't get over. Di makaluna, aking pagmamahal. Pero alam ko kung saan ay magawala. And I was on the sleeper, but I was to be found at you, babe. Feel like nothing when I gave everything more than I could. Everything get better. So when you rock and roll, people hallelujah. Relasyon natin ang karata, di nawala sa isang ng iyong mata. It's time to sing, it's time to move on. Come on, show me what that I can go on. Paalam na sa idalaman, paalam na minahal kita. Di na kaya masama, sa'yo maging masaya ko. Paalam mo hindi mauulan. Kasi ako kasama, gawa ka lang kung naghala. Kansa, gawa ka kung nagduda. Ito na ang hiliyo para sa nagtaka. Masalamat sa baan, sa malinga, pito ilaban. Pinag-usapan, di na mapakiusapan na sa usmen. Relasyon natin ang narata, di nawala sa kislap ng iyong mata. No way around, I'll show you
matter where we go, what's important is we always stay true to ourselves and continue to find and fight for our dreams and fight for your vibe.
Yes!
Are you a single? Map your vibe, everyone. Here we go! Everyone put your hands up.
This time each day, say I get my best of day. I'm not alone, hindi sa para makakibig. Pero bakit bumalo ang isip sa puso? Ano ba ang hanap mo? My mind's feeling now, kaya alam mo ba kung saan ka papunta? Alam mo na ba panahon na I gotta go where I am coming from, so I can make a mark if I were up now. Natin ang sarili, not your vibe, malalaman by my side. Alam mo na just not you, I enjoy your
Thank you so much, guys. Hindi niyo alam how much this night means to us. And this might have been a very intimate show only, but we wanted to sing from our hearts purely lang this time to you guys. Kasi the next time we meet, we'll be on a bigger stage for sure. So please do look forward to that. At dahil dyan, follow niyo kami sa...
First One Official. That's one is TONE Official. And again guys, gusto ko magpasalamat sa inyo sa 4-1 and sa lahat ng sponsors and sa lahat ng pumunta, first time man or 5 years away, mahal na mahal namin kayo. 5 years away din!
5 years away!
Nadala lang! But, 5 years na nakakalaan kasi.
5 years old.
5 years old? But away! Anyway guys, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta niya. Mahal na mahal po namin kayo. 4-1, we love you.
Hey guys, I hope nag-enjoy kayo tonight kahit pa paano sa mga nasa gilid dyan. Sorry kung nakatayo kayo, hindi naman ako po. Pero next time, lahat tayo. Oh, excited na tayo? Or nakaupo?
Wait Nakaka-release ng isang araw yung Map Your Vibe sa lahat ng social media streaming platform. So please stream lang sa Spotify, Apple Music, very music video, very soon.
Bukas guys! Bukas na ilalabas!
Ayan, abangan nyo. sila.
Photo album!
Ano lang, yung ano sa photo album.
Oo, mga ganun.
Para kami binigay niya sa akin yung ano.
Oo, sarap.
Yeah, sige. Bago tayo magpaalam sa kanila, again, pwede kami magpa-picture, guys. Let's
Magpapapicture na kayo. Magpapapicture na kami guys.
Pero yung picture namin,
Per table, parang debut namin.
Birthday party namin yun.
Okay. Table number 1, please get ready for first one.
Who's table number 1?
pagkatapos ng picture
Ah,
namin,
okay.
Guys, pagkano na?
Let's make an order. Table number 1 over there. Table number 1. Pupunta dito.
So guys, yung bouquet, please.
Pupunta po sila.
dito.
Tayo,
Max, where are we going, Max?
Hindi, may sasabihin sana